name is Jason. Welcome to the channel. This is my first video. I'm going to introduce you to my Robinhood portfolio. Robinhood is an application I use to invest in the stock market. I really like it as an app. I find it really useful and helpful to make trades easily on your mobile smartphone. The best thing about it is they don't charge you commission for every single trade. Most brokerages charge you somewhere near $5 to $10 for every single trade, and that makes it difficult to even gain profits on investments because it's inconvenient to have to buy such a large number of shares at the same time. That way it'll be worth the $10 that you spend on the fee. So Robinhood has allowed me to be able to make a lot of investments, such as just buying one individual share. And even though the stocks might be cheap, it doesn't outweigh the cost of the fee. So that's why I really like using this platform. I think they make it very simple for anyone to invest in the stock market. I'm going to be posting more videos about the stock market and how to get started easily. This is my portfolio. I started with $6,079 and currently I'm positive $712. So that brings me to my portfolio being up $6,792. My goal is to get 100% return. That would be like doubling the money that I started with. So it'll basically be $12,000. As you can see, when I first started, I didn't do too well. I actually dropped below my initial investment. I had bought a lot of shares of Amazon and Netflix and PayPal, and at that time they were overpriced and they dropped a lot, and it took me a while to recover, but after I implemented some strategies, I ended up doing a lot better, and that's how I was able to get to this level right here. I'm going to show you a few of the stocks that I have here in my portfolio. As you can see, I like to buy a lot of individual one shares in a lot of companies. I think this is a really safe way to invest, and I really recommend it. I also wanted to mention about this stock, Facebook. I think this one, if I had to recommend one stock for right now to invest in, it would be Facebook. It has tremendous potential. I definitely see minimum $15 potential profit per share. I don't know if you've been keeping track of this stock, but basically it had its earnings recently, and they had a decrease in user growth, and they're also having troubles because of the privacy and security issue, and that has made the stock drop almost 20%. It used to be at 217, and it had a huge drop during its earnings, and as you can see now it's starting to recover slowly, and right now is the perfect time to buy because this is a really good company. It's one of the few companies in the stock market that doesn't have any debt whatsoever, and they have the top social networking platforms such as Facebook, Instagram. It's definitely a great buy. And as you can see from technical analysis, it's not the first time that they had a huge drop. It's just when the Cambridge Analytica scandal happened, the same thing occurred here. It was at 184 and it dropped all the way to 155, or a little bit less than that. But as you can see, it eventually recovered, and it even made higher highs than it ever has before. It went up all the way to 217 from that drop that it had initially. So we're experiencing the same thing right here with this drop, and it definitely has potential. And this is a great stock, as you can see on the 5-year chart. It hasn't been doing nothing but growing this whole time. So it's definitely a great one, and that's the one I recommend. You can easily make a lot of money if you buy a lot of shares of this and just sell around 200 or keep it for longer as well. I would say this is my only bad investment at Genesis. It's a biopharmaceutical company. I would recommend you to try to stay away from these. This can be easily manipulated by news, and as you can see, this was a swing trade that I'm doing. Um, this is a 5-year chart. As you can see, it has very drastic highs and lows, and I bought around 244 around here. I was thinking it was about to go up, but it ended up doing worse, and right now it's barely starting to recover. So I'm just waiting for the pattern to go up for that one. As you can see, I have 521 shares. These are some of my other ones, IQ, all these ones right here. I like buying a lot of index funds for dividends. I'm a huge dividend investor and swing trades, also long-term investments as well. This is a great one that I recommend. Planet Fitness, as you can see from the 5-year chart, or 1 year, it's been growing really well. And it's not that of an expensive. Alright, so yeah. If you have any questions for me or want advice in anything specific, feel free to comment down below. I'm really excited to start this channel and start uploading videos for you all to help out. And once again, my name is Jason. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.